So I'm in New York at an event, and I went to a pre-event event last night, and I was talking to a group of women from the UK who were upset at how the press has come out lately so strongly against HRT. They're vilifying doctors and instead encouraging women to, I don't know, just dress in layers and cry in their pillows at night. I go to all of these longevity events where they talk about cool futuristic medical devices and AI drug development and nano robots and space suits and all these crazy things. And yet, here we are in 2024, still unable to offer basic medical care to women in perimenopause and menopause. If nano robots can help make HRT more accessible and accepted, fantastic. But let's not wait for science fiction to solve a present day problem. Women need access to good information and access to hormones today. Thoughts?